you how to install switchback LED. So this will stay white. It will only turn amber when the signal light's on. But look, I'm gonna remove this bulb right here, right? Remove it. And then once I install this, it can start flickering real fast like that. See how fast it's going? So then you're gonna grab this one. You're gonna type into the blue. I mean, some wire cutter like these, and just grab it and push the wire down. Okay? You grab it, and just pinch the wire like that. Anyway, so you're gonna hook over to the blue. Blue, black, and brown. It's gonna be the black one. Watch this. See how it stopped? So right now, look, we already installed that. Now this guy has LEDs right here, but he wants something real bright. This is what I'm putting on right here. If you're familiar with LEDs, man, you know what these are right here. See, this is what he had on there. This is what I'm putting on it right now.